there's a lot of horses and sleds left. And if you really want to see the beautiful scenery, a horse with an open sled is the way to do it. Close to the border to Sweden, there's a beautiful cottage. It's a perfect place to prepare my last and biggest dish, this time using local reindeer meat. I have now arrived to this beautiful little cottage with this amazing chimney coming up here. The smoke just moves out of this house. Some of the people that have helped me out here in Röros will soon arrive, and I'm gonna cook them some reindeer, some game. If you can't get reindeer, you can use any type of game for this dish. I'm gonna sear it in the fire, like make it dirty in the ashes, and finish it off in the chimney. With that, I'm gonna salt boil potatoes, which I'm later gonna grill and make a potato salad with, and then eat that with this local bread. Okay, so, well, let's get to it. So now I'm gonna put the reindeer straight into the amber, just like this. Nothing on top, just leave it like that, and we're gonna flip it over and sear it on the other side. All right, there you go. I'm gonna put this on this wire, and then I'm gonna hang that up in the chimney and let this finish in the smoke from this birch fire. Don't fall, Niklas. There you go. A lot of salt in this recipe. 1 part salt, 2 parts potatoes. So these salt-cooked potatoes, I'm gonna put them on the grill, but I'm first gonna gently crush them with a spoon. So put the potatoes on here. It looks like the reindeer is done now. I'm gonna take that down. So just the way I wanted it. So this black shell and then red in the middle. This is amazing meat. So with these grilled potatoes, I'm now gonna do a grilled potato salad with this amazing local cottage cheese called skårost. And then I'm gonna add some parsley and some oil into this as well. So with game, it's always really good to have some scraped horseradish. So on this potato, just chop parsley, loads of horseradish, and this local amazing cottage cheese. It's a little bit of oil on top of this. It's fine to use olive oil here. And then that cheese is not that salty, so I'm gonna put a pinch of salt as well to finish this off. Flatbread in the bottom, this grilled potatoes with the horseradish and parsley. Reindeer, pinch of salt. And I think I'm gonna finish this off with some römme. This great sour cream. There you go, flatbread, grilled potatoes, birch, smoked reindeer, horseradish, parsley, and that römme on top as the crown jewel.